5-1W, State of Texas versus Jamie Lozano. All right, Ms. Lozano, have you had a chance to discuss your options with your attorney? All right, so which do you prefer, 18 months in the state jail facility or inpatient treatment?
White right pointing backhand index. Hold up. Did you catch that? Lozano pushes for outpatient treatment, but the judge slams the brakes. Why? Because treatment isn't a menu choice. It has to be backed by professional recommendation. So here's a real question. Should the judge's word be final, or should defendants get more say in their own rehab path?
I cannot hear you.
So I wanted the outpatient that was recommended, but I guess I have to take it.
No, I mean, you're not doing outpatient treatment.
It wasn't recommended. Inpatient was recommended.
Inpatient treatment was recommended. Here's the thing, Ms. Lozano, you were here before me previously, and at that time, I believe you had green, purplish hair. Your hair was not blonde.
It was yellow.
Yellow. Okay. So you were here before me. So I remember you. And I thought then that you had drug issues. And what I said at that time was, we will try it your way. And so you were given a chance to be in the free world and not use, but you used.
White right pointing backhand index. And there it is. The judge drops the core truth. Lozano already had her shot to stay clean, but she slipped. In court, that's a consequence moment. Actions meet reality. But here's a debate. Should one relapse slam the door on treatment, or is real recovery about getting back up after every fall?
There are consequences for actions. And people seem to think that the consequence for the actions is to cry and beg to get what they want. If everybody could write their own program when they have a drug problem, you wouldn't be here because you would have written your program and you would do great on it. And I can say that. If I could write my own weight loss program and have it work, guess what? I wouldn't continue to eat the pecan turtle ice cream that they have, the HEB brand, which they're out of now. And that's not because of me. So what I'm going to do is you are going either to inpatient treatment and you're going to SATIC. Is that what they're recommendation? All right. And I'll have you referred to felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, then you can go to felony drug court. But if they do not, you're going to SATIC. And what I can tell you is felony drug court is not going to accept you if you come with your idea that I only used one time. And let me just tell you, the problem is your sister and other people who are in the military living their life, doing what they're supposed to do, they want what's best for you. And they want to believe you. But my experience with people who are addicted, they tell great stories. And sometimes I'm listening.
White right pointing backhand index. Whoa, did you hear that? The judge just compared drug excuses to trips to outer space and the moon made of cheese. Funny, yes, but also brutal honesty. Courts hear endless stories that sound believable but aren't. Let me ask you, what's the most outrageous excuse you've ever heard that almost had you convinced?
Listening to it, and I'm like, that sounds very believable. Maybe they did go to outer space. Maybe the moon is made of green cheese or blue cheese because it sounds so believable. And your relatives want to believe you, but you need to get your life together. It's currently not. It's chaos, and I'm trying to help you with the chaos.
I was already starting my business that I've already started.
No, because you know why? You know why I know that was your life?
And I was out sober in between October and then I got sober and I was living with my parents in order to help me get.
You know why I know your life is chaos? Because you're here in a felony court for a felony charge.
White right pointing backhand index. Here it is, the ultimate fork in the road, 18 months locked up or treatment. Judges drop this choice like a spotlight, testing if a defendant is serious about change. Now put yourself in that chair. Would you take the time and get it over with, or roll the dice on a tough rehab program?
Yeah. You're here in a felony court for a felony charge. So again, if you don't want the treatment, you can just do your 18 months. You'll do your 18 months, you'll be done, and you can make whatever treatment plan you want to. So Do you want the 18 months in the state jail facility, or do you want treatment? That's either yes or no. If you don't want treatment, then I will not give it to you. Somebody else will take advantage of it, and you can do your 18 months. You can mark your days off on your calendar. You'll get credit for any time that you've already been in custody for this case, and you can mark 18 months of your life off on the calendar. And then when you get out, maybe your sister or somebody will take you in. Maybe you will not use any more drugs. It's completely up to you. Do you want the inpatient treatment, or do you want to do your 18 months? Which would you prefer? No, here's the thing. Your sister can't turn around. Turn around. Your sister cannot want treatment for you more than you want it.
Just doing treatment already out there.
All right. I'm going to help you out because I see you need help.
White right pointing backhand index bang. The gavel falls. Lozano gets 18 months in state jail plus a $500 fine. Time and money, double punishment. So what do you think? Is this tub just as a reality check she needed, or did the judge go too far?
I'm going to sentence you to 18 months. I'm going to grant the motion, sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Counsel, I'll retain jurisdiction.
I'll talk to her sister. I don't see a whole lot of point with it.
All right. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Mm-hmm.
Possibly.
All right. You have a limited. All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you're on probation. Do you understand? All right. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. And what is her sister's name?
Stacy is on.
All right. And what's her rank?
I'm not sure her rank right now.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her. What's your rank? All right. So I want.
White right pointing backhand index. This moment hits hard. The judge looks at the sister and says, "It's not your fault." That line matters because families often carry the guilt of addiction. But here's the big question. When it comes to saving someone you love, is tough love the best path? Or does it push them further away?
I'm going to let you know that I appreciate your coming in here. Sometimes you can't give help to people when you offer it. They have to want it. And if they want it and they have issues, I will give it to them. So don't think that this is your fault. You've done everything that you can do. Thank you. Thank you so much. Case. All right. Hello, Mr. Mouse. How are you doing this morning? Okay.
May I speak?
Oh, sure. Just give me one moment. Let me find you on the dock. All right. I see you. Yes, you may speak.
Okay. I would like to relieve my lawyer of her duties of representing me.
All right. Do you have an attorney that you're going to hire?
We asked last month